Restaurants have a problem, and this problem is costing them thousands in revenue every single month. You have probably noticed it yourself too. Have you ever tried to call a restaurant and then they put you on hold for way too long? You get bothered, right? Eventually think, I'm just going to call a different restaurant. And there are so many other options nearby. So you take your business elsewhere. That is the revenue restaurant just lost. And it's not just you. Imagine 40 to 50 customers every single month having the same experience during the rush hour. That adds up fast. So I created a solution since there was a problem, and it's from scratch that you can literally copy and paste and sell to the restaurants as if it's your own. You can charge them $297 per month just to install it once, and the AI does all the work going forward. It takes up the order over the text message, Instagram DM, or even WhatsApp. It notifies the staff whenever an order is created. This way, they are not stuck on the phone. Even better, if someone calls and the call is missed, and the AI will proactively reach out and say, "Hey, sorry, we just missed your call. Can I take your order over the text?" The entire conversation is handled by AI. Restaurants make more money with this, and they don't have to pay 30% fees to delivery apps, and they will be gladly willing to pay you $297 per month for the system. So this is the solution I built. Took me a full day of testing, but it's ready. Here is how it works. Someone tries to call you via text, WhatsApp, or Instagram DM. The AI takes over, handles the full orders, notifies the staff, and even asks for a Google review a few hours later. It also tracks down how many orders it generates and emails the restaurant monthly saying like, "Congrats, we got 45 orders this month." That keeps them happy and reduces the cancellation. There is also a reorder feature. If someone ordered the restaurant the last week, the AI can ask, "Do you want to reorder the same item?" Just like the delivery apps, making it easier increases the purchases. But like other apps, this doesn't take a huge fees. Restaurants often increases their prices on delivery platforms to compensate for the fees. This solution avoids that completely with a flat monthly cost. Once set up, the AI runs everything, which is collect the recurring revenue. To build this, we use one software. No need for multiple tools. You will import a snapshot, create a sub account, and you are ready to go. Inside this, you will find pre built websites, automations, workflows. The main workflow is the restaurant ordering AI bot. The only things you need to customize is the business hours and the menu links. That's it. The workflow checks if the restaurant is open. If it is, it proceeds. And if not, it sends we are closed. So the workflow starts with a customer replied as a reply channel and the call details, which includes missed call. The call direction is taken as incoming and the call status is busy, voicemail, no answer. And the customer replied, the reply channel, we can make it different reply channels, be it SMS, or the reply channel can be made call, chat widget, email, or the Facebook Messenger, GMB messaging, Instagram DM, live chat, SMS, TikTok, WhatsApp. So I don't think so. There is any other tool which is actually integrating all these social media platforms under one roof. It makes our job much easier. We need to select any of these channels. So we are just selecting here SMS and I'm clicking on save trigger and save. Then we have an open condition which checks the weekday and the weekend. In the weekday we have time interval between 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. and for weekend we have time interval from 10 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. And after that we have an open checker. So I'm going to duplicate the screen and I'll just start from scratch a new workflow and let us build this together. And even if you need the entire snapshot, you don't have time to build this thing. You just need to click on the link I'm providing and you can take the entire snapshot. You don't have to build. So we just click on create workflow, start from scratch. If you're just trying to build a workflow from scratch, it's better you create the wireframe in Miro or TLDraw.ai. These are the two platforms I use to build the wireframe before I start to work. So I already have it built. I'm going to take this as my wireframe and I'm going to build using this workflow. So I'm just going to copy this, just going to paste it here. Customer reply trigger is added. We'll have the reply channel as SMS. Call details is added and the call direction is incoming. Add filters. Call status is busy, cancelled, no answer, voicemail, and click on save. So these are the two triggers we are adding here. These are the two triggers we are adding. Now we are adding an if else condition. In the if else condition, we are actually adding the time interval, the weekday and the weekend time interval. Both these are we are adding the weekday and the weekend time interval, date or time, and current day of the week is weekday, and I'm clicking on I need to add the time now. Time of the day is 8 a.m. to time of the day is 11 p.m. Now I'm saving it and I need one more branch. So I'm clicking on one more branch and I'll be naming this weekday 8 a.m. p.m. And the next branch will be weekend. Maybe like we will do 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So I need to select this field. Click on date of the click on date, click on date or time field, current day of the week, opt in for the weekend, click on and condition, select date or time, current time of the day is, we'll do the same time which was 8 a.m. Again, adding an and condition. Time of the day is mapping it to the same time, 11. No, we will not do 11, we'll do 10. Time of the day is 10 p.m. Time of the day is 9 p.m. So we have two actions now. One is the weekday, which is 8 a.m. to 11 p.m., and one is the weekend, which is 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can customize and add more time intervals, like if you have a break in between you can add the break, or if you need to actually add in some overtime you can add in the overtime also. It's up to you, you can customize it. So now below this I'm adding an if else condition, and for this if else condition I have two triggers. So according to the triggers I need to add the if else condition. I have a customer replied and I have call details which is incoming. I have call details in which call direction is incoming and the call status is busy, cancelled, voicemail. The intent type is positive or negative, and the contact reply intent type is negative or no. So once that is saved, you can see we have three branches: positive or yes, negative or no, and none. Now we will add the text message, clicking on send SMS, just going back and making this easier, copying it and pasting it, coming back, adding this. Okay, so we will be asking, hi, this is location name. So whatever you put in the location name will come here. It's based upon which restaurant you are selling this. Sorry, we missed your call. Can we take your order over the text? Yes or no. We are giving them two options, yes or no. Click on save action, then it will be saved. We'll go back and we will add one more trigger below the customer replied SMS. We'll add the AI classification. I'll be adding an if else condition here, if else condition, and I will focus on the workflow trigger. Workflow trigger is, we have two triggers. One is the call details, and the other one is the replied channel. So I will be focusing on both of these, customer replied. So I'm just naming it call detail here, and this will be customer replied, saving the action. So now we have three actions: call details, customer replied, none. In the call details, we'll be adding an SMS, send SMS. I'll come back and copy this and paste it here to make the things easier. The SMS we will be sending is, hi, this is location name. Sorry, we missed your call. Can we take your orders over the text? Yes or no? Then we add the location name. So the location name is based upon the restaurant you're selling. Clicking on save action, coming back, just adding an AI classification below the customer replied. Click on ChatGPT, add the ChatGPT, which is a GPT-5 mini. I'm coming back and copying this action, click on save. So this will be an AI classification tool, what we'll be using. So I'm just copying it and just making it the action name as AI classification. Based on this text we are sending, we need to know the intent of the reply we get. So I will be just using an if else condition to determine the intent. So if it's a yes, then we will actually just focus on the contact reply. Intent type is yes or positive. Then we'll have another channel which is no, and the intent type is contact reply. Intent type is negative or no. Okay, so we have three actions now: yes, no, none. Now, below the AI classification, I'm adding an if else condition. Since in the AI classification, I will just explain this. You are an AI assistant for a restaurant. Your job is to analyze the user's message and determine their intent. Respond with only one of the four words, which is order, greeting, or none. So I'm just focusing on you are an AI assistant for restaurant. Your job is to analyze the user's message and determine their intent. Respond with only one of the three words order, greeting, and none. So, based upon this, I need to create three different channels. So, I'm opting in for an if else condition, and the first branch will be order. And just clicking on the select GPT, the GPT response one is order. Copying it, pasting. Then just making it greeting. GPT action is greeting. I'm clicking on save action. So we have three channels now: order, greeting, and none. For the greeting and for the order, we have separate channels we need to create now. For the order, we have three channels, which is the previously ordered delivered, previously ordered pickup, and none condition. So I just try to copy this and come back. I need to create an if else condition here. Just pasting it here. Now I need to just add on the custom field, which is order. Okay, I've already created the order custom field. If you have not created, just duplicate this tab. Click on back to workflows, settings, custom fields. Just I'll show you. First of all, I have the order. That's why I'm just showing you. So I have the order and order type. If you don't have it, click on add field. Click on single line. Next, type order, make it contact, and the group should also be contact. Click on save. Once you save it, even if I save it, it won't allow me to create a duplicate record. So I'm just going back. Similar way you need to create for order type also. I'm going back. I'm just adding contact is not empty. And the order type, just need to type order type is delivery. Create another branch for pickup, previously ordered pickup. Make add the order is not empty. Click on an and condition, add in the order type is pickup, save action. So now we have three channels, which is previously ordered delivery, previously ordered pickup, and none. We'll add an SMS here. Reorder for pickup is added. We'll be adding an reorder for delivery text message. Would you like to reorder? This contact order method is created in the backend. It's a custom field to the address, contact delivery address. So this is also a custom field. Whatever you see, contact dot, it is a custom field. And it means that it is associated with a particular contact. That is why there is something called contact for pickup. Would you like to reorder? Contact order for contact order dot method. Yes or no. Then we have the location name. Save action. We'll add a wait step. In the wait step, we'll have the contact reply with two topics: reorder for delivery and reorder for pickup. We'll be waiting for the reply from these two text messages. The timeout will be 25 minutes. We get the reply from this. We will check the intent. Click on if else condition, contact reply, intent type is positive or negative. If we don't get a reply that is not a yes or a no, and we get a reply something new, we need to send an internal notification to the assigned staff. So I'm adding an internal notification, message body, conversation to the user assigned to the contact. We want the reorder for pickup to also come to this same wait step. Since in the wait step, as you can see, we have two reply channels added: the reorder for delivery, reorder for pickup. So we need to click on this field, add the go to step. What if we don't get a reply from this order or the text message we are sending? What if we didn't get a response, which is either previously ordered delivery? What if we don't get a response from the AI classification? Then it will be a none condition. So we click on it, we add an SMS channel it will be order for pickup or delivery. We are again trying to approach. This will be a follow-up text. Would you like to place an order for pickup or delivery? Then we are again adding a wait step. So it's like a loop, what we are trying to do. We don't want to miss the lead. And order for pickup or delivery. I'll be adding an if else condition. In the prompt, we have added are an AI classifier for a restaurant. The user was just asked if they want their order for pickup or delivery. Your job is to analyze their response. Respond with only one of the following three words, which is pickup, delivery, unknown. I'm adding an if else condition. Branch 1 will be pickup. Response we get from the GPT will be either pickup, delivery, or unknown. So we need to use those parameters here. And the last one was none. So I'm just making it unknown. We are sending an internal notification to the assigned user. Notification message body is added, conversation, and I'm using the user assigned to the contact. Based on the response we get, whether it is like pickup, delivery, we will be adding a custom field. We will be updating. We already created the custom field for pickup and delivery. Based upon the data, we will add an update contact field. And I'm just mentioning this pickup, update field data, just adding it, save action. The same way, I'm just updating another contact field. This will be delivery and adding the contact, which is order type. For the pickup, we are asking them to send the entire order in one message. For delivery, we are asking them where is the delivery address. We just need to wait till we get a response based on it. And as you can see, you can view our menu here. So this is like a custom value we have added here. This was created in the backend. It's pretty much easy. You can go back into the backend and you just need to paste the menu link in the location website, custom value, save action. Timeout will be 25 minutes. Based on the response we get from this message, based on the response we get from this message, we'll be adding another GPT module. You are an AI order processor for a restaurant. The user wants just to send their complete order in one single message. Your job is to analyze their response and extract the food order. So this is actually a gold mine. It is able to get all these details and it classifies it and analyzes the data. We don't need a lot of classifiers. So in the user experience, these are the examples we gave. Example 1, user says I want two large pepperoni pizzas and an order of breadsticks. So similar way we have added multiple responses. Based on this response, we need to create the if else condition. In the if else, we are adding none or off topic and none. Adding an internal notification for the none factor and sharing it with the assigned user. Adding the redirect page conversation and making it user assigned with the contact. We'll be adding another text message. The next step is to add a wait step. It's for the contact replied. Timeout will be 25 minutes. Wait step is added. We'll send another text message. ChatGPT response is added. The response you will get it from clicking on this particular step, GPT response. We'll add a wait step. Timeout is 25 minutes. Based on the response, we'll be adding an if else condition with the intent. So I'm adding yes and contact reply positive or negative. It will be a no here. Contact reply intent is negative or no. I'm just naming this as order confirmation. Once they have confirmed the order and the intent type is positive, we will send a text message to get the name of the person. Once the order is confirmed, we'll send a text message to get the. We will add a text message. All right, can I get your full name for the order? If the response is a no, we'll send a text message. No problem. Let's try this again. And for none condition, same as above, we will be sending an internal notification. Notification is sent. We'll add the contact name and phone number. The reply will be message body here. So I'm just pasting it from here. And redirect pages conversation, user assigned to contact. We'll wait for a reply for this message. So we'll add a wait step, contact reply. Can I get your full name for the order? 25 minutes is added. Based on the contact reply, based on the response, I'll add a ChatGPT action. So the prompt will be you are a highly precise natural language processing model specializing in named entity recognition. Your solve function is to identify and extract a person's name from a string of text and format it perfectly. Then we have added the training examples input, output is given. So it's based, be it any input, it's gonna give us the name. Okay, I'm just saving the action. I'm creating two different channels now with an if else condition. Since as I mentioned, there will be only two responses. One will be an error message. So I just add the GPT response, which will be the last response is an error message or a none condition. So we'll only work on the none condition since error is always an error. We don't have to work on it. So the none will be a positive value, which will be the name of the lead. I will update the lead's name in the contact card, adding the full name, and we get the full name from the GPT response of the last OpenAI model. The next thing, so this is gold mine since we are trying to update every single information we collect during the process of getting the information from the client. We save this into the contact card, so all the information we get, it's been saved into the contact fields. If you go into any contact, you can see the contact's name, the previous orders taken by the contact, the contact's delivery address, all these fields will be filled in. So this data is called mine. We'll add another, we'll add another update contact field. And here we will be adding the order for the next time. So since we are using ChatGPT as the classifier, we have particular fields added into the ChatGPT response. So based on that response, we update that into the order field for our future need. I'm adding the ChatGPT response. Adding a new task. Whenever we get a new order, we will assign it to the particular staff. We will be counting all the orders we have delivered. Math operation is added. Click on custom fields, order count. The value is +1. We will notify the lead that the order was sent to the staff. We'll add to the Google review workflow, or we can directly add the Google review here. After wait of 30 minutes, I'm adding the review request. Okay. Select channel SMS is enough. If you need my entire snapshots and my working funnels, please sign up to Go High Level using my link. I'll be inviting you to my private school community where we have weekly coaching classes as well as you will get one on one sessions with me. I'll be helping you grow your business to the next level.